Nothing OS 3.0 beta now available. Explore Android 15 updates. Nothing launched its open beta program for Nothing OS 3.0, which is built on Android 15. The updated features and improvements on Nothing phones are now available with Nothing OS 3.0. The stable version will be released in December 2024, but if you can't wait any longer, you can try the beta version right now. This newest update comes with a set of several new improvements for Nothing smartphones. As far as clock faces go, users can now look forward to new improved experiences or just new choices about lock screen configuration. Conversely, the pop-up view has been fine-tuned to assist with easier multitasking by fluently switching between apps. Camera performance is optimized for quicker launch times and crisp detail in low-light photography. Smart Drawer AI sorts applications to declutter and therefore organize apps and find them easily. Quick settings in the widget library are rearranged to give a better user experience with Nothing OS 3.0 beta. All these changes together shift Nothing OS 3.0 into a more fluid, efficient, and enjoyable user experience. The Nothing Phone 2a is the first device to benefit from the Nothing OS 3.0 beta. The list will feature the Phone 2, Phone 1, Phone 2a Plus, and CMF Phone 1 by November and December. However, the beta is released and will have bugs and stability issues. Users should back up data before installing the update and not use it on daily driver phones. The changelog for the beta of Nothing OS 3.0 has updates on multiple aspects, one of which is a customizable lock screen. Other features include a smart drawer, an improved pop-up view, camera enhancements, and changes to redesign quick settings. All these represent Nothing's commitment to offering a well-crafted and streamlined operating system.